So yo, what is up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are playing in Minecraft biggest server Donut SMP. We have $0 right now. So our target is making 10 million in this server without making any farms. Yes guys, you heard right. We cannot make any farm, but we have to earn 10 million. So let's jump right into it guys. And these are my friends. Hello Jerry, hello.
Hello.
And these are my other friends.
Hello.
Hello SB. So guys, what's your strategy to do 10 million without making any farm?
I'm just gonna
First-
break trees.
So my strategy is to sell the kelp in a higher price.
But how you can sell kelp in higher price?
Guys, just ignore our English. We speak English because we are Indians, so we do not know
Yeah, guys, just
proper
ignore our English because we are
don't
not
know
that much
too
good in
much
English. Yeah, because we are
But we are
Indian. Yeah, we are from Asia, so
We are trying
we don't
to,
speak too much English. Yeah.
We expect to Donut SMP. Oh, Donut has seen our video and give some extra money.
Yeah, extra money, huh? No, I don't want extra money. We just
I
making
want,
a
I
video. Oh, okay, you want. Why? What is this glitch? Okay, oh, my bad. I'm just making this.
My grammar is very poor.
Same.
Poor नहीं bad.
Why I speak
I'm
like
bro.
European.
Yes, bro, do something.
For
Oh,
my
Just,
strategy,
just
I
do
want
nothing, man.
What do you want?
ocean.
You want ocean?
Ocean,
Then
ocean.
go. Then go in ocean. Let me sell some wood and see
And
how
one
much.
more thing.
Bro, this baby
When,
zombie. Bro, no.
One more
Bro,
thing. Whatever
this
we
baby
earn,
zombie is
we
like,
give
bro.
to their pleasure.
Yeah, can. Bro, this baby zombie. So guys, my strategy is basically I will see which features give me a good amount of money. Then I will sell that. Currently, you can see I don't have any money. First of all, I'm going to sell this logs and see how much
requested
money I
to
get.
make the donut.
And yeah, you requested donut. What?
I requested to donut. Please don't say very marketing.
No, bro. No, I will beep this. I will beep
No,
this.
In front of Indian friends because this is a bad word.
No, bro. I will beep it. I will beep it.
uh,
I don't think Donut will react on our videos. It's based on our luck.
No, he reacts. I trust.
Yeah, I trust so, but like it's on our luck.
And one more thing, I install medal and get 5,000 shards. The medal and the donut SMP has been collabed, so he gives some gift when you install a medal. And the medal, you connect your create your account.
oh my god.
Yeah.
Bro, just someone paid me 300k. Like I sell something before. Okay, I will not count this. Okay, I will just transfer it to you. Jerry, wait.
Okay.
Yeah. Donut and medal has been collabed.
Yeah.
And he gives some rewards when you install medal and connect with donut with your username in
Yeah.
donut SMP.
Yeah.
So I get 5,000 shards, and for now I buy some things
Mm.
to do / shard shop.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
I have like lost.
So
No one is buying
That's
oak log.
something.
Why? Jerry,
बोलो क्या
no one is buying oak log.
साइन बोर्ड बेच रहा हूँ.
But why no one is buying oak log?
I'm selling sign boards. I don't know. I no one is buying.
wait a minute, EV high level.
Should I sell or not? I will pay you. Sell something, okay?
No, don't sell. Give it to me. I will sell.
Oh, I just sell 5k sign
Huh?
board.
Okay, my dark log.
Sign board for 5.
Sell. Oh,
I am
9.
purchasing the 9 block.
I have earned 10,000. 10k.
Bro, can I buy one?
What do you want?
Tell me, I should buy or not?
What do you want? What do you want?
Shard packet.
Yeah, you can.
Break nine.
No.
block.
Do not buy it between the selling.
Yeah, do not buy anything
What?
challenge.
because it will be considered as ticket.
So guys, as you can see, I have 39k. Okay. So I'm just selling this logs. So like for 5-10 minutes, I will just chop the trees and
What happened
sell
to my
it
game?
in
My game
auctions.
crashed.
You slain by me, what? The hell?
Just pick up my material because I have so much
Yeah, yeah,
signboards and other things.
How much cost the cobblestone?
Don't know.
Don't know. Okay. Sell.
Oh, let's go. I
TP
got
me,
2K.
TP me.
I just sell two what the signboard, and I got 2k. Jerry,
How many signboards did you sell?
just two.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Okay,
TP me, TP.
yeah, I will. We just sell for like fifth. How much for one stack?
5k, so you just sell 4.9k.
I'm just selling signboards and all.
Okay.
I give you 5k.
Yeah, pay, just pay.
Yeah. Flash pay.
Yes, I also want 10k, so I will also pay.
I have 71k.
Yeah, I pay you.
Thanks.
I'll do one thing. I mine cobblestone and sell in 5k.
Nice.
Let's go, guys. We hit our first like 100k. We have 146k. So it's good. So,
Nice.
how much money you have, guys? Oh, I don't have.
I have 10k and I am selling more.
Yeah, nice. We are too
I
slow,
have
guys. We need to speed up.
Yes, I have on 37k.
Nice. I have 156k. I died. No, bro. I just died.
Arey,
Bro.
how did you die?
Missing. I just died. So guys, if sometime you cannot understand what we are speaking, so that's like our mother tongue Hindi. So like we are talking in Hindi. So like you can just skip that part where me and my friend just talking. Otherwise, yeah, you can. We are trying to speak in English. So yeah. Let's go, guys. Just selling sand.
I can't do anything. Just
Now let's see. Oh, well, now we can. Let's find some diamond thing. Let's just mine sand until we reach our 1 million.
भाई क्या आवाज धड़कन तेज हो गई थी
Alright, guys, we have 250k. Another from Jerry.
Oh, I earned 190k from auction, so I am paying you. Okay.
Okay. Oh, let's go, guys. We hit our first million, bro. Let's go.
Let's go,
Oh,
bhai.
congratulations,
Yes, yes,
Congo,
yes.
Congo.
We only need 9
Nice,
million.
nice.
Let's go, let's go. We can do it. Where are you?
Yes,
I'm
yes.
just chopping some trees again, okay?
Yes. I'm going to chop down some carrots.
Yeah. I think SB bro,
Oh.
we just
Yeah.
like we just go for some base raid. What do you think?
Oh, let's go. Yeah.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
I am in Badlands.
Oh. Okay.
Badlands.
I will
Oh,
send
bad.
some wood and I will take you there.
Okay.
Here.
GG.
Let's go.
Grief there. Grief there and grief there.
Ungrieve.
Yo guys, our boys just found the base.
अरे तोड़ा क्यों? ऐसे भाई रुको ना.
Bro, TP me.
हाँ,
Send me request. Yo guys, let's see.
Nice.
अरे मैं पास
TP me guys, TP me.
हाँ. I found some food and ender chest.
Yo,
Oh, let's go.
there is an
wow.
item. This is grieved, I think so. No?
No. Totems and.
Oh, और bro, why breaking?
अरे
Yo.
लूट ऑफ बाद में देखेंगे बंदे
There are so many things, bro. Rating base 1 million per base. No, bro. Oh, skull.
मतलब it's someone.
Splash pit. Oh, donut my part. Yo, bro, donut this is AI. I don't think so, bro.
No.
Donut, I don't think so, bro. It's AI. Oh my God,
Oh,
bro, Titan. Let's freaking go. We have Titan, bro. Let's go.
Let's go.
Bro.
Titan goes for 1 million.
Let's go. Let's freaking go, bro. We got it, man.
सब एंड चेस्ट में डाल दो.
Yeah, wait. Something here. Oh, come here. Ender pearl. Oh, look.
No. There are no.
Come here.
Leave it.
No, why?
रुक जा मैं इधर से तोड़ता हूँ.
मैं लॉक सेल कर रहा हूँ भाई क्योंकि मेरे पास बहुत सारे लॉक्स हैं.
हाँ ठीक है.
इसमें वो है विदर स्केलेटन हेड.
Yo,
Oh.
this bro just bought my. Oh, nice guys. As you can see, our all thing was bought by. Oh shit, you can see. Oh, this is gripped, I think so. Yeah, this is fully gripped.
Yeah.
What I think so, it's fully gripped, bro.
Oh,
Oh, it's I think Boneville farm. Oh no. There are repeaters and we can sell that repeaters also. Let's just block the water first, bro.
सुनो इधर एक बार देखता हूँ ठीक है पर्ल मार्केट. चलो अपने पास रखो अभी 1 मिनट क्योंकि मैं सपोर्ट ले सकता हूँ तो मेरे को निकाल देती. बट फिर लेवल नीचे वाले वाला वो नहीं दिखते. ऐसा होता है.
नहीं दिखता है. मैंने एक में देखा था कि उसने 3 लेयर.
अरे एंडरपल से.
अच्छा तू एंडरपल वाला नीचे कर ले. मैं ऊपर जाके बाय साइड से ढूंढ रहा हूँ. जितने अलग घूमेंगे उतना जल्दी मिलने के सब.
Actually, we are not like creeping their base. We just go there, sell their item, and we just left. And not like
Mine
yeah.
was destroyed. I
like that.
have some head.
Oh, let's go.
Where?
my God.
Oh, let's go, bro!
Oh my god.
Crazy, bro, crazy! What the hell? Just come here! Look!
Hell, bro.
Yo, gambling machine, bro. Okay, guys, listen.
Just में कुछ नहीं है.
Yeah, but listen. We don't have to like destroy. We just take the loot, okay?
Yeah,
We are good person.
Enderpearl.
Look at the totem and sword.
टीवी करना.
My God, bro! Just look at this. Look at
TV करना
this. These two chests. Here, Gabby. These two. Oh,
आपको
crazy,
भेजा एक्सेप्ट
bro.
कर दो बस.
TP accept है.
Let's go.
भाई सब देखो भाई.
Let's sell, guys. Let's sell.
क्रेजी हो गया भाई.
No, for real.
Okay.
Let's go, guys. As you can see, we have 4 million in our pocket, and we found this base. But like, we steal all the like stuff, but we don't break, cause that's our rule. So yeah, we only need like a 6 million more to achieve our goal. So yeah, let's go. Continue in finding base.
रुको यार मैं
Oh, Akshay bhai just
Bhai,
paid me
left, right,
400k.
oh,
Nice,
हो जाएगा।
nice.
सीधे मत चल, थोड़ा लेफ्ट राइट।
निंजा मैं जो
हाँ।
सुपर चाली लूं या फिर वो नेदरराइट क्या बोलता है फॉर्च्यून
वो आपकी चॉइस है वो आपकी
अच्छा, आप पिकैक्स ले रहे हो वापस?
इसमें पता है मेनली सिल्वर ज्यादा बेस्ट होती है क्योंकि सिल्वर ज्यादा कंफ्यूज है
बस अक्षय भाई देख के
मैं
हाँ,
सिल्वर चल लूं।
मतलब 24
हाँ।
घंटे वाली होगी डिस्ट्रक्शन वाली. As you can see, we have 8 million. Okay. You can see this history. Silent has been just sent me 170k. Okay. We only need 2 more million, guys. Let's go. We are making 10 million without any farm. Let's go, guys. We can do it. Let's go.
मेरा ये कनेक्ट ही नहीं हो पा रहा।
ओए मेरे को बेस मिला. यो रेडेड है लेकिन बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा बे, बहुत मतलब बहुत ज्यादा. मेरा लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा बेस है ये.
अरे तुम को दिखाई जरा, तो मैं आता हूँ एक सेकंड।
रेडेड है लेकिन बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा बेस है. इसमें तो बहुत सामान निकल सकता है अभी भी. हाँ. कर लेगा भेज भेज.
भाई तुम ऑलवेज टीपी
भाई भाई
अक्षय भाई ये आइस भेज दो, मैं तोड़ रहा हूँ.
कहाँ पर है?
कोई ना आपकी भाई
ये अभी और ये दिख रहा है यहाँ पर है। दे भाई
अब मेरे को वापस रिक्वेस्ट भेजो, मैं आपको भेजता हूँ. मतलब आपको ये बर्फ उठाने का बोलता हूँ. चलो मैंने ही उठा लिया पेन.
भाई यार हो जाए यार चार्ज। हेलो आवाज आ रही है?
नहीं.
हाँ हाँ
नहीं आपको नहीं दे
This tools.
I'm just mining like crazy. Oh no no no.
Has been sold, not sold but listed 60 gold sandstone right now. Wow.
For how much? SB, how much for you like auctioning?
32k.
20k. I'm just selling that for 5k. But no one is buying.
This dude is lying.
Yo brother
Yo,
let's
go.
143k
We
Huh?
finally hit 10 million, guys. Let's go. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Yo, guys, as you can see, we finally hit 10 million. Wait, guys. Let me RTP. Oh, hey, आ जाओ ऊपर आ जाओ सारे लोग आ जाओ. So, guys, as you can see, we have achieved our goal. We have 10.4 million in donut SMP without making any farm. So yeah, special thanks to SB, Jerry, Akshay and our friend Gabby Pizza. Okay, this challenge is like so difficult if I do alone.
nah it only took 5 hours
Yeah,
all of us to make 10 million
all of us
I guess
making like 5 or 6 hours. But yeah, we make 10.4 million without any farm. So yeah, I hope you like the video. Don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe.